abandoned, discarded and alone, they once brought joy into the lives of millions and made gardens fun. They've made children smile, brought families together and given pensioners a harmless hobby. They've given their lives to entertain us. What about Romeo and Juliet, The Full Monty? Gnomes have been loved by the British public for decades. And now, after all they've done for the gardens of Great Britain, this is how they are repaid. You, IKEA, with your stylish yet affordable Scandinavian flat pack, decide to toss them aside like an unwanted meatball. Well, they're not going to take it. This stops now, or Billy gets it.